Slide 10, we are still watching and listening, and we're going to solve this question. Find the slope and the y-intercept of this line. This line is not in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, so that you can see your slope and you can see your y-intercept. So what we need to do is we need to get y equals. First step is to ignore the y, this piece, and we're going to get rid of those x's. So we're going to move our x's by just taking them off. And then I'm going to do that on this side too, because what I do on one side of that blue line I have to do to the other. These zero out and I have 6y equals, and then it is 24 minus 2x. Then we are going to go to our next step, which is to separate the 6 and the y. Together that means multiply, so we're going to divide by 6 on both sides. And then we're going to do our hearts to simplify. Y equals 24 divided by 6. If you don't know that by hand, you can go switch over to decimals and you can type it in. The other side is negative 2x over 6. So what we have is y equals 4 minus, and then this simplifies out to 1/3 x. This is not quite in the same form because you'll notice your x is first over here next to this other number, and the way that I wrote it, it's kind of at the end. So that's just saying b plus mx, or what you can do is you can rewrite it. So what is the slope? Whenever it's in this form, it's next to the x number. It does not include x. Do not type x. It's the one in front. So we're going to type in 1, 3. And it reminds us to use that slash for a fraction bar. The y-intercept is going to be a 4. Ooh, and I told you lies. Forgot one thing. Hopefully you knew what it was. That m, that slope, needs a negative in front of it. Negative 1/3. And your y-intercept is 4.